Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel. If you're ready to embark on a journey to master Azure and elevate your cloud computing skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to introduce you to the top Azure Training Institute in Electronic City Bangalore, eMexo Technologies.
Whether you're an IT professional, an aspiring cloud engineer, a tech enthusiast, a student, or someone looking to switch careers, this video is for you. Let's dive right in.
Nestled in the heart of Electronic City, Bangalore, eMexo Technologies is your gateway to mastering Azure. But what sets eMexo apart as the top choice for Azure training in the region? Let's explore.
Here are the top 5 reasons why eMexo Technologies is the best Azure training institute in Electronic City Bangalore. 100% job-oriented training. Industry expert faculty. Real-time projects. Interview preparation. Placement assistant.
When it comes to Azure training, expertise is the cornerstone. At eMexo Technologies, we are known for our profound expertise in Azure. With years of experience and a proven track record, we stand as a symbol of excellence in the field.
eMexo offers a diverse range of comprehensive Azure courses, designed to cover every aspect of this powerful cloud computing platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, we have the perfect course for your learning journey.
We firmly believe that experienced instructors make all the difference. Our Azure experts aren't just teachers, they are mentors who guide you through the intricacies of Azure, sharing real-world experiences and preparing you for success in the world of cloud computing. At eMexo Technologies, we don't just teach theory, we emphasize hands-on learning. You won't just learn about Azure, you'll apply your knowledge through practical projects and real-world scenarios, gaining the hands-on experience that sets you apart in the competitive world of cloud engineering.
Whether you are an IT professional looking to upskill, an aspiring cloud engineer on the path to excellence, a tech enthusiast ready to explore the cloud, a student aiming for a bright future, or a career changer exploring new opportunities, eMexo Technologies is your gateway to Azure success. Don't miss this fantastic opportunity to master Azure with eMexo Technologies. Visit our website www.emexotechnologies.com or call us today at +9 19513216462 to start your Azure learning journey.
Thank you for watching. Reach us on eMexo Technologies, Best Azure Training Institute in Electronic City Bangalore. www.emexotechnologies.com. Call us at +9 19513216462.